Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we have some free PUREX over at Walgreens. These freebies that's still taking place, and we have some free Toms of Maine. So that is just like awesome, 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 awesome. So we'll talk about that. And then right here we have some free stuff over at Rite Aid, which is great. And then there's a whole bunch of toy clearance that's taking place over at Walmart. I grabbed a couple things, Christmas gifts and just stuff to have on hand. When some of this stuff is 90% off or even 75%, that's when we really pounce on it. So I am going to show this at the very end because I know not everybody's interested in children's toy clearance, but I will show those at the very end, and some really great finds today. Weather report for you guys. It's kind of like a humid, muggy one out there today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so the first store that we have is Walgreens, and I did all these in store today. So the first item that we're going to talk about is the PUREX pods. So these guys are $5.99 on a buy one, get one for free. Now, if you want them completely for free, I'm going to walk you through the deal. Grab two of them, $5.99, buy one, get one free. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, guys, so you'll pay $3.99 out of pocket. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. You're going to get back $2 of Walgreens cash for buying the two. That's a weekly promotion. And then IBOTTA has $1 back for each. It shakes it out completely for free. Now I had a $5 store coupon that I wanted to use with this deal. So what I did was I grabbed 6. I'm only paying for 3 because remember the promotion is buy one, get one free. So it's $17.97. Basically take $5.99 times 3. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting the 2 off of 2 digital, the $5 store coupon, and I also threw in $10 of Walgreens cash. So I paid 97 cents plus the tax. I got back $6 in Walgreens cash. For every 2 that I'm buying, I'm getting $2 back, so 2, 4, 6. And then IBOTTA credited me $5 for this. So it just made it a really good deal, and I always like to flip my store coupons right away. So I made an entire video on these guys yesterday. They are $3 each, and this is a very good money maker. And I think about an hour ago, 2 different subscribers messaged me saying that the 2 $5 register rewards are still printing. So the devil is really in the details, and we're looking for this guy that says vivid. It has to be the vivid one, either soft or medium. Grab 4 of them, guys. And $3 a piece, that's 12. There's a $6.50 off of 4 digital coupon. Use that one. Even if you have another one loaded, like the 4 off of 3 or whatever, the 6 off of 4 came off for me, or the $6.50 off of 4 came off for me. So the new total, what you'll have to pay is $5.50. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid 50 cents plus the tax. And then I got back 2 register rewards, a store one and a manufacturer one. So it made it free plus a $4.50 money maker. Little deal that we did was at the Toms of Maine, and these guys are $4.99 a piece. So for 2 of them, that is $9.98. I had a $2.50 and a $2 digital coupon for Toms of Maine children. And so I had to pay I had to pay $5.48 out of pocket. Hold some Walgreens cash right there. I got back $2 from IBOTTA, $1 for each. So it made it free plus a $1.52 money maker. This is my kind of week over at Walgreens. I know it's probably many little trips for you guys, but even like the PUREX to get 2 bags for free. I know the liquid detergent is like $6.49, but the pods are $5.99. It's a little bit extra savings for you, but what a great little deal. And this one has the Clorox 2 in it, so you know it's good PUREX. So good luck with this. And as of, I think like 3 o'clock, this little offer was still working. So over at Rite Aid, I just did a couple deals. There is no basket booster this week, like, you know, 10 off of 50 or 15 back when you spend 50. So sometimes when the pressure's off, you can always have a week that things are a bit slower, but these slower weeks, sometimes you could find a lot of wonderful items. So the first item that I found in clearance were these soft soaps, the antibacterial and the lavender chamomile, and they were 82 cents a piece. Now IBOTTA has a 50-cent rebate, so it dropped it down to 32 cents per hand soap, and I'm okay with that. Okay, so the Vaseline Lip Therapy are buy 2, get back $4 in bonus cash. These ones in original are on clearance for 44 cents or 49 cents. So for 2 of them, it was 98 cents. For this specific one, you have to buy them in sets of 2 as well, guys. And then I got back $4 in bonus cash, making it free, plus a $3.02 money maker. Now, Rosie and the coconut one, or the coconut butter one, are $1.59 with your gold discount. So buying 2 of them, that is $3.18. You get back $4 in bonus cash, making it an 82-cent money maker. These are kind of harder to find too. There wasn't an abundance of them in the store. But what a great deal. You can do this up to 4 times, so you can grab theoretically 8 in total. I was only able to find 6 at this one store, but still quite delighted with my little deal. This is the final freebie, and I did not get the toothpaste because I have so much toothpaste in my house that I'm like, I am okay with never seeing another tube. So the Colgate mouthwash is $4. We have a $2 in-ad coupon and a $2 digital, basically making that guy completely for free. And the same exact offer with the Colgate toothbrush, and also with a tube of the Colgate toothpaste. Now, I didn't opt to get the toothpaste because I just have so much of that stuff, guys. I'm just like, I think I'm okay with passing on that one. The 2 pharmacies, some really great deals to be had and found. So, every summer, Walmart has these crazy clearances where they're trying to make room for Christmas toys, and a lot of the hot toys from last year, well, they need to make room for it. So this Frozen, it's some sort of pony and the lead character Elsa. And I think this guy retail is either $39 or $29, and I got it for $5, which is crazy. I'll show you guys the UPC. Just be on the lookout for this in the store, and look really high in the sky shelves, because I think I found like a couple on the sky shelf and a couple in the display. There was a whole lot of this specific toy, so I grabbed a couple, you know, as Christmas gifts and just to have them around. But I think any young girl would be so happy to receive this, especially if they love Disney. A Walmart brand, and this little cop car was $1.24. The original price point, I think, was close to $4.97 or $4.99 or something like that. And this is really cute. I think any little kid would really like it. Uh-oh. My cats didn't like that. But it's just a fun little toy, and, you know, why not? This was the final find. I was trying to find a lot of toys for $1 or less, or like $1.50. That was my tap out price point. Because sometimes this Walmart toy clearance, you can spend like $300 and not buy an eyelash. But unless you're intentionally buying it for certain, you know, people in your family or your kids, you know, you can just spend quite a bit of money. So I was trying to really be frugal with these purchases and looking for very specific toys that were like $1.50 or less. But toys like this, because this would be killer for Toys for Tots to donate. Oops. Okay. And it's alive too, that's part of it. Okay. Is it gonna behave? Okay, so this guy was $1.24 as well, and I think the original price point was close to $5, and it has everything, you know, for kids to play doctor. And then look at this. It's a heartbeat. And it came in 2 different colors, so the green and blue obviously for a boy. Little girl doctors out there, we have it in pink. How cute is that? A couple of those. It was just a really good value, like from $5 down to $1.24. I am all about that. So obviously when you're looking for this stuff, Sky Shelves, use the Walmart app and store. And with Brick Seek, it's been kind of one of those things, like you look stuff up and then it's there, it's not there. I would actually go to the store and start scanning and see what you can find, because that's how I had the most amount of luck, because I did look specifically for the Frozen stuff. My nieces really like Frozen, and I couldn't find anything. And then I just went to the store and it was all there, and I was shocked because I thought people would go a little crazy with the toy clearance, but it seemed like people really didn't, you know, they weren't really looking for stuff. But I was happy with the haul that I found. Good luck with this one, guys. And I would absolutely go get those PUREX pods for free. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.